Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Me, DYang. We're out here on the river, my boy Danny, and we're gonna look for some white bass today. I don't know how it's gonna go, but what do you think?
What the heck? Your hair, bro.
Yeah. Jeez. Yeah. So we're fishing out here in this like little mud flat, and just like, guys, this is so crazy. Look at that, like straight. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, we're gonna do some white bass fishing today, and hopefully we are successful because we have not gone any good white bass fishing. The weather has been horrible, cold, absolutely, windy, nasty, rainy, and hopefully we stick a few. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. If you guys are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit that thumbs up, and let's hit 8,000. Let's go. All right. Guys, we are dealing with a situation that we normally don't deal with. We're growing roots on our boots, bro. I can spit some rime. See how far we can go with, oh my gosh, yeah. I'm good though, don't worry. Yeah, that guy just, yeah, I have to. What if you get chased by a beaver, bro? I'm gonna start with the little lipless crankbait here. Bro, this is as far as you can cast.
I'm scared, bro.
Bomb it out there, dude.
Thinking, man.
You'll be alright.
Go back where?
No, just work our way back to the car. Just like hit up those other points. Yeah, don't worry, we'll walk on land this time. Alright, so we just fish around here. Holy. See that? It drops. Huh?
Not here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah, it's up to you. Alright, I'm gonna do my dad style. Two-way rig. Dad style right here. Maybe they want action. There's a lot of weeds? Oh. What are you on? Oh, I got one. Yes! I told you they're here, bro. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, it's a white bass. Oh, dude's a big one too. Oh, dude's a big one. Yes. Let's go on the tandem rig. I knew they're here. Nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. First white bass of a while. Switched up to the tandem rig. Draw some more attention, and got some nice fat female. Look at that. They're here. I was crazy, bro. Put this guy in a stringer real quick. Doesn't die. Yeah, we got one, baby. Put him on this little rest stringer. I don't know if you're gonna catch that many. Wow, they're so stocky. They're different. They're not long and useless, you know? Like super stocky looking. Alright, go call your friends for me, bro. I know you know how to. Let's try these weird color out, see what happens. You know, white works. Let's put on something weird, bluish, purple, whatever. Yeah, come switch bait. That's not working, come switch. Yeah, so I got lucky, bro. It ain't you. Plastic, just throwing random colors. Yep, don't know what's going on, so just put on something else. Yep. It's gonna be slow everywhere. Got one. Yep, that's a white bass. That's a white bass. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's another tanker. Oh, yes. Switched it up a little bit on the green. I tell you, dude, they're here, man. It's just so hard to get them to bite. Shoot, and like that, just pop right off. Dude, they're fat. Let's switch it back to some paddle tail. Let's try pink. Come on, white bass. Got one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. On the pink. Oh, it's a nice one too. Man, they're also stocky. Yes, on the pink. Oh my god, you freaking choked it. Okay. Oh, mud all over you. Alright, we got 3, boys. We got 3. Slowly but surely. Alright guys, we're back. Because everywhere else we know is trash. We got some food. We feel good now. I'm retied for my boy Danny. Just stab it to the ground. And we'll see you catch some white bass. Cause man, it's been a grind, yo. Alright guys, so before we get going again, this is what I'm using. 3-way split there. Just 8-pound test fluorocarbon leader. It's called the Tandem rig, I guess, or you call it 2-way rig, whatever you want to call it. I got a 116 pounds Swimbait Livyathan. It's a 2-inch, and another 2-inch with a pink jig head, just rolling at the bottom. They're throwing ripple shads. Got 10 minutes, bro. They're clutch, or else we gotta move. Yeah. I told you. Cast all day. It's a school. Oh my god, he's pulling drag. Dude, it's a big one, bro. Oh my god, he's huge. Oh, dude, he's huge. Why is he so big? Whoa, he's freaking massive. Finally. Freaking tank. Nice. Dude, he's massive. We thought the other ones were big. Oh. See? I wasn't crazy, bro.
Crazy.
Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, it's been a struggle. And we left, got lunch, came back, caught this nice big female. I mean, you can see in the video here. Big white bass. Holy cow. Wow. It's a beauty fish. And stick around. It's a really slow bite. Checking out swim baits, white swim baits, and just caught this absolute brute right here. It's a big one. Wow. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Hey, there you go. You know, just nice swing it out there. Yep, just watch your line. Always watch your rod tip, you know, when you see the bead coming up, that's when you just stop. And with 2 hooks like that, you up your chance of snagging, so got one. Go, throw, hurry bro, throw it. They might be behind me. Jeez. Nice. Cancel, bro, hurry up, bro. Might be there. Bro, he has a missing tail. Oh, look at this. I got one. It's Whitebass. Oh my god, it's peeling, bro. It's a big Whitebass. Oh, it's a giant, dude. Big Whitebass. Oh, dude, Danny, check this out. Oh, dude, nice. Let's go. Look at the freaking tank. Now we're talking. Dude, freaking massive. Look at that.
Yeah, that thing's huge.
It's huge. Freaking tanker. Let's go. Oh shit. I caught the tree. I caught the tree, do I, man? The tree,
Yeah, we
dude.
gotta cut all that off.
Nah, you good. Same spot. Oh my god. That's a carp. That's a carp. Sorry, dude. That's a carp. Whacked him in the ass. It's a carp.
Dang it, I dropped my video.
I whacked you in the butt. I got a video too. Got him. Got him. Yeah. It's big one too. Oh! Oh, it's a smallie. Oh, it's a smallie, bro. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, I caught a smallie. Oh, he inhaled it. Prize catch. I told you it was crazy, man. I keep telling my brother, Dad, I was like, bro, there's smallies in here. Smallies in here. Yeah, dude, he's fat as heck. Yeah. Oh my, he inhaled that thing.
Dang.
Holy cow.
You just can't escape them smallies.
All right, here we go. Second smallie of the year.
Yeah, right.
Nice little chunk. Beautiful fish. Back in the water he goes, because that's what we do with smallmouth. Ah! Alright guys, so that is a wrap for today. We still have a lot of time, but we're gonna head home. Gotta go back in town. Gotta drop off the fish with the fam, right? My boy Danny. And yeah, we had a good time. That's how we did. It was a grind, guys. Like, I'm not making it up. It was such a grind. Look at that big one right there. That thing is massive. Biggest one of the day. Everything else is pretty much, they're pretty stocky too. They're not bad at all. Good fish. And yeah, I guess it was just a quick outing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today. White bass fishing been really slow. Hopefully it picks up. We can do more hunting for white bass episodes. And yeah, let's hit 8,000. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the water. Peace.